In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share a Jotform table so you can collaborate with teammates or give others access to your data. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then open My Tables. Select the table you want to share. Once the table is open, click the Share button in the upper right corner. In the sharing window, open Share Settings to configure how the table will be shared. Choose the privacy option that best fits your needs, such as private, public, or company access. Next, select the default permission level for anyone you invite. You can choose read-only, commenter, or collaborator depending on the level of access you want to provide. If needed, configure additional options such as allowing downloads or setting an expiration date for shared access. To share the table with a link, return to the main sharing window, select Invitation Link and click Copy Link. You can then send the link to anyone who needs access. If you'd rather invite specific people, choose Invite by email, enter their email addresses, assign their permission level, and click Send Invitation. That's how to share a Jotform table. Thanks for watching.